Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Google Pixel 6a smartphone, and in this video we are going to share the top 3 home screen widgets to add on this device. Alrighty, so first of all you want to tap and hold at any vacant spot you have on any of your home screens in order for this additional home screen menu to be launched. Go for the widgets, and the first widget that we would highly recommend that you try getting is located at the clock widget section, and as you could already obviously guess, that would be a clock widget. There are plenty of designs to choose from. It even has the stopwatch or the world dual clocks. I'll go with more classic design, I would say, and pick this one and place it right here, let's say. In here we are able to choose whether the clock style will be solid or transparent. I'll go with the transparent version. And so that will be it for the first widget. The next one is located at Google category of widgets, so let's expand it. It is a few weather widget designs to choose from, literally 2 to be completely precise. So we have the smaller version, which shows like the sun state and the degrees amount, or the full scale weather forecast even for a few hours, as well as like generally more detailed data on the current weather. So I'll go with the bigger design and the detailed one. I'll drop it at another home screen. Real quick, move it to the separate home screen even. Place it right here, then you can expand it and up to its like maximum size. As you can see, you can basically configure and manage its compactivity, should I say. And I'll have this very convenient widget that will show me the detailed breakdown on the current weather that I have over here. Alrighty, and the final widget that we would highly recommend that you try using is a calendar widget. 2 designs to choose from, the calendar schedule and calendar month view. I'll go with more compact design and drop it right here. So by adding this widget, you're making sure that any reminder, event, holiday or celebration that is added to your calendar, to the calendar of your device, will be displayed right here. Therefore you will not miss anything important and will not forget about anything important either. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.